another vlog. So I did my makeup today's video because y'all, let me just tell you really quick, girl had COVID. Yes, I had COVID a couple days ago, and oh my gosh, in October I had the flu. COVID, y'all. And when I tell you it was the worst thing ever, is what, today is February the 1st, so I just got over cold. Pull myself together and get on here and film. I wanted to, I don't know, clean up a little bit and share with y'all, what else? Luxury items I'm looking to sell, so I will be sharing this here on this channel. My email, so if you are interested, you can email me. Regarding information. Wig I got from Love Me Hair, I think that's what it's called. I'm gonna link it down below because y'all, I love this wig, y'all. This was the wig that I had when it was a side part. I put it back to the middle part. Like, I love this wig. I'll put you on my tripod and start cleaning here really quick on camera in my kitchen because I need to start my dishwasher, my living room area. So I think I'm gonna bring y'all with me and do like a really quick speed through type cleaning video. Starting to feel a lot better because y'all, I lost my sense of taste. Like, it was really hard for me, y'all. I'm like, Lord, please don't let me get sick anymore because I don't think mentally I can handle it because, like I said, I just got over the flu back in October. So I'm wearing green eyeshadow because the Philadelphia Eagles, if y'all didn't know, is my team and they won. They are going to the Super Bowl, so fingers crossed they make it, because if they do, Philly is going to be off the chain. You hear me? Off the chain. So I'm excited about that. So of course I had to wear my green, and I also have an Eagles jacket that I got back when I was home 2 years ago. Let me bring y'all in my dirty kitchen. It's dirty. I got dishes that I took out the dishwasher that's out. Dirty dishes in the dishwasher. So let me go bring y'all my kitchen, and we're gonna go ahead and straighten up. We're gonna go ahead and clean. You know, as a matter of fact, let's start off with the beauty area. I just got finished cleaning, so 3 things I'm looking to sell. I'm not sure as far as the payment method as of yet, but I'll leave my email down below. So if you decide to want any of these items, you can reach me through email. And please only email me if you are serious about purchasing these items. Do email me and you like, hey, Miss Tamika, I just need a day or two. I am willing to hold it up to 24 hours, but after that, I will release it to the next person who's willing to purchase. I'm mentioning is from Gucci. Everything that I have over here, I do have boxes for. Not the bags, but I do have the boxes and all the paper and everything. Well, I do have the boxes and the dust bag. This is one item that has the box, the dust bag, and everything. And I'm looking to sell this. I do have the reusable bag that I got when I purchased this Gucci. I had to purchase this. I can wrap it as if it came from the actual Gucci store. So I am looking to sell this here cutie. I wore it maybe once, if that. It's in excellent condition. No marks, no smells, no nothing. I don't smoke. This is not a smokehouse, so you won't have to worry about smoke smells or anything like that. I have unboxings on these here particular items, so I will try and leave them in the card so you can check them out. before you purchase. Inside, the inside is still nice and light. It's a little dust in there, but that's it. You do have this little key, and it still has the wrapper on it. It's detachable, so just to let you know, $1,000 for this. Like I said, it's in excellent condition, and with the price, it will include the shipping. My next item is this one here, y'all. This one I haven't worn outside the house. Brand new. The wrapping on the hardware. Like I said, the only time I used this is when I did the unboxing. There are Gucci cards. I actually still have the tissue paper in the inside for this outside, other than wearing it in the house doing a review on this particular item. And to sell this one for $500, again including the shipping. So grandkids in the background. This one comes with the dust bag. I think I still have the boxes. They in my closet, like tucked under. So yeah. Crossbody. This one I think I wore maybe like once or twice. Again, brand new. I have all the paper tags and everything with this particular bag. Actually still attached. Here's the inside of the bag. You got the pink flowers in the inside. It do come with a detachable strap. Tags in the back. Like I said, Gucci always sent me like a lot of tags. The Gucci flowers. So that I am looking to sell. Only reason why I'm looking to sell, because like I said, if I bring anything moving forward into my collection, I want to get rid of things that I'm not using and reaching for. Just buy stuff just to buy stuff, if you get what I'm saying. If I want something new, I want to downsize what I already have, because I don't want to be that person that have a whole bunch of bags and barely use any of them. And I will leave my email across the screen, and we can work something out. This one, I think I was looking to sell this for $1,200, but everything is negotiable within reason. I'm not looking to give anything away. Like I said, I do want to sell so I can purchase something new, what I want to purchase. And then if I can sell all 3 of these here items, it can also help me to get a tummy tuck. So I might not want a bag. I might just want to go use the money to get a tummy tuck. So I'm just saying. Like I said, I have been looking at Chanel, and of course y'all know Chanel is really expensive. So I was just like, okay, can look to sell. And I was thinking about selling that Louis Vuitton backpack. The one I had the issue with the color transfer. I did end up fixing that situation, so the bag again is practically brand new. You see no color transfer or anything like that. So I'm not sure about that one, if anyone is interested in it. It's the what is it, Louis Vuitton Montessori backpack in a turtle dove, I think, with the pink interior. The 3 bags I'm looking to sell. Oh, let me show you what I got from Dior, y'all. What was it? I don't know. I was on YouTube, and some lady was talking about this particular item. And y'all, when I found out that we sell this at Sephora, I was like, oh, I gotta get it. It's from Dior. I think you can purchase this from Dior, but of course, you know, I purchased it from Sephora because I was able to use my discount. And why I purchased this, I'll tell you in a second. It is a Dior eyeshadow palette. And I thought this was the cutest thing, you all. Cute this is. It's like a velvet material. I think this is black. And then it has the gold CD on the front. Why I purchased this, because the particular lady who showcased this on her YouTube channel, this here can pop out. And you can use it as a card case. It's like, okay. So let me see if I can pop this out without tearing something up. Did use tweezers, so let me go grab some tweezers and try to pop it out so I can show you how she used it. What I ended up using was this here hair clip. This here has a little weight to it. So here is the eyeshadow palette. Like I said, it is like my type of shadows, but the reason why I purchased this was because once you take it out, you can place, oops, once you take it out, you can put cards in here it as a card holder. So let me show you. I have my Louis Vuitton part of my Karigami set. So BJ's, this is my BJ's card and 2 credit cards, well 3 credit cards. So here is the case. And so what she did was she just put her cards in here, and not only are you able to put your cards in here, you also have a mirror. And I just thought that was so cute. So now, as you can see, my cards are in here, in your bag, your purse, and it's like a Christian Dior wallet or card case or whatever. Like, how cute is this? I don't know, with putting this inside of your purse, will this here material attract dust and lint? But I just thought this was the cutest thing. Like, how cute. Really nice and heavy, where you could just place the cover on top and just keep it protected that way, and just throw it in your drawer or you know, your makeup area. This down below, y'all, because this is on the Sephora.com website. Yeah, so only thing now, what I have to do, y'all, I got 3 days off in a row. I'm so excited. So I'm gonna finish washing clothes. I'll probably eat a salad, or I got some like chicken thighs. I may put them in the air fryer, and my daughter and I are gonna have them tonight. I'm gonna go ahead and end this here vlog. Like I said, I just wanted to get on here really quick just to show y'all a few things I was looking to sell. Just give y'all a really quick life update. I'm doing a whole lot better, thank God, because like I said a couple days ago, I didn't know what was up, y'all. I don't know. Like, I don't know. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and end this here vlog, because I want to try and put it up sometime like really quick. So that's why I want to make this video long. So if y'all enjoyed this here vlog, please give this video a big thumbs up, y'all, because it really helps out my channel. And also, before you go, please don't forget to click on that subscribe button and that notification bell, so you could be notified each week. That's right, each week your girl uploads videos. And until next time, and there will be a next time, I will talk to you later.